suddenly I vidded that thinking was for the gloopy ones.
Gloopy ass
and that the
bitches.
omni ones used like inspiration and what Bob sends. For now it was lovely music that came to my aid.
Yeah, it's Azar Malachi. Ground up. Best Friends Volume 2. You my dude, Malachi. Bijan, you keep doing it. You too, man. Who'da thought we meet at orientation? Now we making hits every day in the studio, man. Look, my world was empty before this rap shit, man. It's not a lie. No. Yeah. Let it ride. It's not empty right now. Yo, I've been itching, scratching, wished and imagined. All my work with rap would just cash in. I turn a beat to a has-been, and the stress got me vexed with my passions. So I smoke green weed and I sip green absinthe. I don't need a pristine status. For me, I'm always ready, it's a whipped cream habit. Sick beat addict, ground up, just another big dream classic. Let it ride. Yo, I think a change gon' come, I'm not a statistic. My glass half full, I'm optimistic. I gotta risk it, my mama said I'm kinda gifted. So I gotta start giving on some old Saint Nick shit. But now these girls get wet when I spit shit. Girls Watergate give a dick like Nixon. I couldn't pitch like Gibson, so I was busy playing reindeer games like Blitzen. Yeah, you should listen.
Malcolm now, this ain't even Malachi right here. Nah. Yeah, shit, I still think about you, shit, I still write about you. Every now and again, when I'm caught with a pen, I scribble your name. No, I never shed a tear, but I scribble a pain. Everything you remember, I remember the same. We had love you couldn't picture if it came with a frame. I used to love the Lord's name.